One book. Multiple books. One potato. Two potatoes. One knife. Multiple knives. One texter. Multiple texters. Today we are looking at plural rules. How we turn a singular noun, like texter, or potato, or book, or knife, into a plural, more than one. So, singular means one. Plural means more than one. When we make a singular noun into a plural noun, the spelling at the end of the noun changes. For most words, we just add an S or an ES is added to the end of the noun. Sometimes a Y is replaced with IES. For example, baby. Bella is my baby dog. Baby, if I had two Bellas, it'd be babies. But I drop the Y and I add IES. So that's an important rule to remember. The way we can know if we add ES or S on the end is the way it sounds. For example, if you say house, singular, house is, you can hear the is on the end, okay? Or in the word boy, it's just boys. We can't hear the is on the end. That's how we know whether to add ES or just S. So these words, we just add an S. Zebra, zebras. Pea, peas. Footballer, footballers. Log, logs. Simple. We add an ES if the noun ends in ch, sh, x, z, or z. For example, sandwich. We can hear the ch, sandwiches. You can hear the is, so we add ES. Glass becomes glasses. You can hear the is. Bus, ends in an S, we add buses. And box, we add boxes, ES on the end of the word. So like I said before, if we had a word ending in Y, we drop the Y and we add IES. Key becomes keys. Oh, except for words like this. If it ends in a consonant Y where it is a digraph, okay? Sometimes there are irregular plurals that don't follow the rule, like knife. Knife ends in a f. So we drop the f and we add VES to make it into a plural. Here are some examples. Loaf becomes loaves. Foot becomes feet. That is another irregular plural where the word fully changes. Pear becomes pears. Brush becomes brushes. We add ES, we can hear it, ends with a sh. Apple becomes apples. Sheep stay the same. We don't say sheeps, even though when we're little we say sheeps. There's the sheeps, ma'am. Look, they're in the paddock. Baby becomes babies. We drop the Y, add IES. And wife, if you've got multiple wives, the wives are having dinner together. We drop the FE and we add VES. So what are your tasks, you say? Well, you get to choose today. There are mild, spicy and hot. These are all in your OneNote. Mild is a board game. You need to either print it off or you can play it on your screen, maybe in tablet mode, where you move around the board and whenever you land on a noun, you have to say what the plural is. You might like to write it in a sentence also to practice the spelling. Spicy is you've got a word list to go with this. So you've got to sort them into how we would spell it as a plural noun. And then you might like to find some more examples of your own. And hot, you are going to identify the irregular plurals to match the singular nouns. Then I want you to search for other irregular nouns and create your own cards with a picture like they are presented there. And that is your grammar lesson for today on plurals.